Welcome to Yummy Cooking Hyderabadi. How to cook pancake recipe? According to this recipe, my grandmother cooked. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup buttermilk, 1/4 cup milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Step 1. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Step 2. Combine wet ingredients. In another bowl, mix the buttermilk, milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract until well combined. Step 3. Combine wet and dry. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. The batter should be slightly lumpy. Step 4. Preheat pan. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease with butter or cooking spray. Step 5. Cook pancakes. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown on the other side. Serve hot with your favorite toppings such as maple syrup, fresh fruits, or whipped cream. Enjoy your delicious homemade pancakes. Follow to learn more recipes from Yummy Cooking Hyderabadi.